Hello friends and welcome to another video lesson from DBOS Talk. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified of new uploads. This video is in the playlist called SQL Developer Tips, and here we'll be learning how to use SQL Code Snippets within SQL Developer. Okay, so as you know, a code snippet is a short scissors of course, but a snippet is a bit of code, something like a building block for you to make up a code. So in this case, a building block for making or constructing a select statement or an SQL statement. Okay, so to get to that, you look at your menu, you click on the view menu here. Okay, and then you look for snippets. So sorry, it's not visible from your view. It is somewhere just below this one, two. So snippet. So when you click on that, then the snippets pane will display on your right hand side with a couple of category of commands that you can use. All right. So let's just start with the one that it has been being shown here. Okay, let's just so what is being shown right now is a set of aggregate functions. Okay, so let me just, I can type select, okay, and then put a space on it, and then maybe I'll drag drop min expression here, and then maybe a comma after that, and then I will get max expression, all right? And then you can type or copy paste. In my case, I'll just copy paste. All right. So here's my select statement, select min expression. You will have to substitute this with the column name, max also a column name here, and from customer. Okay, so I'll be using column name from the table customer in a called birth date. Okay, so in maybe we can talk about this more in some other video, but just know that when we use minimum maximum, you can use it on a number or a numeric kind of data type, also on a character or a varchar, and it will go with the ASCII ordering of that character. And if we go by date, which is in this case, we're using a date column here, birth date, then it will, if you say minimum, it will be the oldest going backwards, and maximum, that would be the most recent date. Okay. Okay, so it displays for us the minimum value of birth date, meaning the oldest value in of birth date column in this table called customers. So it found the minimum value is May 25th May 1998, while the maximum is 1st January 2007. Okay. Now let's click again on the drop down to see a different category of snippets. Okay, so I'm gonna choose maybe character functions. Okay, and then I will just remove the min-max from here. Okay, okay, I will use maybe lower. So drag it, drag, drop here, and then comma, upper. Where's the upper? It's here. Drag, drop here. Again, you will fill this up with whatever is the appropriate column name that you want to use for this one. Okay, so I'm gonna use surname for lowercase, and give a name for upper. Okay, so what this will be doing is that, again, these are character functions, as you can see in the snippets pane. So character in Oracle, the data type associated with this is varchar2, usually. And then, so it's saying it will display the lowercase of all values of surname column, as well as the uppercase version of all the values of the given name column from this table. Okay, so let's look at it. Right, so there are only 4 records in this table, but you can see it has done what it's supposed to do. On the first column, it is showing the lowercase of surnames. All of them are in lowercase. And the second column is the uppercase of the given name value. So it shows also those values in uppercase. Okay, so on your own, you can explore the other sets of or categories of snippets in this drop down over here. So you can just explore, it's not so difficult. And you can try for yourself. And occasionally you'll be hitting some errors here and there, and it will not be that complicated. Okay, so in this video, you've learned how to use SQL code snippets within SQL Developer. Thank you for watching and listening. If you haven't subscribed, then please click subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.